Hello, welcome to the video. Today we're in Division 2 and we're going to be checking out the Dust Storm event. So, if we go in here, we can find out a bit about it via the event info. So, a colossal dust storm is ravaging New York, and Rikers are on the prowl. Defeat their Dust Devils crew to earn storm keys, but be warned, while you're hunting them, they're also hunting you. So, while the dust storm rages, Dust Devils will continuously ambush you. Stay on the move to find and eliminate them. All the more you defeat, the greater the chance of finding storm keys. Damage dealt by and inflicted on Dust Devil enemies increases as range decreases. Okay, so closer the better. The Dust Devil's crew use these beacons to find their way through the blinding dust, destroy them to earn storm keys. Every day, the Dust Devils will replace some destroyed storm beacons, so stay on top of them. Use storm keys to open the apparel, gear, or community caches to obtain rewards. Caches can be opened from the Seasons vendor at Haven. Join forces with the community and donate storm keys to reach each one of the 3 goals and fully unlock the boss outfit. Okay, right. So, I guess they're just going to randomly attack us as we do stuff. So let's go and do a control point or something. Yeah, control point will do. So, where's the nearest control point? There we go, level 4 control point. Alright. Out this way. Now, watch me just get instantly butchered by these guys. So, no dust storm at the moment. Ooh, who's that? Eh. Right, we'll head for the control point. And then, if a dust storm hits, we'll just take cover somewhere, I guess. Feels like a dust storm's coming. Or is it just always like this? I don't know. Right. Here's the control point. Oh, new hoodie.
Civilians in danger.
Oh. Falling back up.
Reinforcements en route.
What?
Moving around the side. I got you covered. Shooting shit.
It's in great position.
We lost one.
Civilians in distress.
Watch it. Burn out. Side.
Sneaky. Oh, there's the reinforcements. I guess we should move in a bit. Just get that ammo.
Civilians in danger. Heavily armored hostile detected.
Oh, enemy leader. Where? Up there. Oh. That's him done. Wait, are they Dust Devils?
Electronic device detected. Hostile supply convoy detected.
I have to move. Can't hit anyone.
Alright, that was easy enough.
Detecting additional hostile contacts.
Where?
Suck on! Smash on! They got one of ours.
Yeah, they did.
I can take them from the side! I got a shot!
What is going on there? What just happened? Oh, disconnects.
I can't hit what I can't see.
Oh no, just weird lag.
Those greedy bucks got him.
Where are they? Oh, here they are. Come on, there you go.
Heavily armored
Enemy
hostile
leader.
detected.
Where is he? Might as well pick that up. One. Blaze. Whoa. Sneaky. Hey. Where's that coming from? Oh, there. Hey, get out of the way. Alright, captured. Pretty sure we didn't get attacked by dust devils. So I guess just need to wait for like a dust storm or something, or go find a dust storm.
Supply room access unlocked.
Just grab the stuff from the supply room and then we'll... Oh, hang on. Bit of action. There they are. Come on. Where are the rest of you? I should probably fall back a bit. But before we do,
These bastards will never.
alright, let's fall back now.
Not my idea.
Accessory.
Okay, where's the other guy? There he is. So I thought it said that they would continuously attack you. Oh, but I suppose it's not really a dust storm, is there? Okay, so did I get any keys? Wait. Oh, one storm key. Alright, progress. Okay, supply room. Let's grab that. And then we'll go and find some more dust devils. Nah.
So bored. How much longer till shift change?
It's kind of weird hearing Christmas music in the middle of summer. Right. Let's see what else is nearby. Well, we might run into some of these guys. Oh, I could go get that. Come on, we'll go get that. And maybe we'll run into some people on the way. Switch to quick step for that 20% movement buff.
Detected. From the control point in proximity.
This is one of those ones where I'm going to have to like solve a puzzle to get to it, aren't I? Okay, so it's up there somewhere. And the way in. Maybe around here.
Portable electron.
Fuck. How are this many agents assigned to Tribeca?
Yeah, stop that. Right. Come on, oh, dust storm. I'm about to get attacked. Should I go squad up with those guys? Go on.
I'll cover you. Just move your ass.
Where are they?
Hey.
Oh. I get a storm key from him? I did. Hooray! Okay. Where were we going? Oh yeah. SHD tech. I mean, they're not continuously attack. Oh, maybe they are. Spoke too soon. So there's someone sneaking up behind us. Where's the other one? I'll run for that. Ah, they're not so bad, these guys. Not so bad. The more difficult thing is finding a way into this building, apparently. So that doesn't seem to lead anywhere. Dust Devil's evaded. Oh, I didn't mean to run away. Right. So it's up in that building. I need to get there somehow. It's an exit. So... I'm about ready to give up on this already. More Dust Devils. Take cover. Where are they? Oh, there.
Incoming backup request.
Oh. Yeah, I think there's more over here somewhere. Was there? Yeah, up ahead.
I gotta find a better spot. Damn it! This armor's a joke.
Oh, come out. Come on, what am I missing? This is one of those things where it's going to seem really obvious after the fact. Right. I mean, this yellow thing's drawing me in to nowhere. Alright. I mean, I literally can't see a way in, so is it further down here? Let's do a little round and round. Oh, grab that. Oh, new hoodie.
Friendly control
Always
point
good.
nearby.
Thought someone was going to run up on me then, but apparently not. Alright, is there an entrance hiding under here? No. Somewhere. Cover somewhere. Might as well grab that while we're here. Right. I'm just not going to find my way in, am I? No, I don't think anyone wants to watch me just like run around looking for an entrance I can't find. Oh shit. Oh, there they are. Oh, sniper. I got a great view.
Hostile sniper turret detected.
Finish him! You got it, boss!
What?
Serious trauma detected.
What is happening? Oh, it's lagging out. Brilliant.
Immediate medical assistance needed.
Right, let's fall back a bit until the lag sorts itself out.
Just die already!
Oh, that's the guy that I need to get. Right, let's get him.
Stop fucking around and kill him already!
This guy is a bullet sponge. Come on.
Like that?
Whoa.
Hostile artillery turret detected.
Take off their fucking heads!
Don't worry, I'm watching you.
Take off their fucking heads! I gotta kill you once, I'm gonna make it hurt twice as bad! Ouch! I don't wanna be next!
Come on. Oh, you guys. It's not great. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Turn the room
Come on.
upside down!
All right. Black Lung defeated. Black Lung headgear. Oh, so they're like varieties of that. Oh, Paul. All right. He was a guy as well. Oh, you're our guy. Okay, so I'm going to give up on the SHD tech and probably end this short video right there for now. Got a couple of the bosses, showed you the Dust Devil people, and yeah, guess that's it.